All right. Here's what's important. When you're trying to look for something that fits the narrative you're pushing, which is your position. If you're long, then you tend to just look for things that are going to support your long position. And you're either going to ignore things that don't support it or you're going to give a lot less weight to it. But we don't do that. You have to be able to be objective and see the things you prefer not to see. If you're long in this area right here, you don't want to see other longs come in there. First of all, we snuck through the top of the box and then came back in. That's a little bearish when we jump out, but then come back in. Then, when too many longs come in to compete, that has to be if you're long, you get out. If you're bearish, you think of maybe using that as a trigger to get short. So watch it in here. Watch what we had seen, talked about in real time is you get our laser, go from red to green, and you see all this green light up. The market tilts down and stays weak, breaks 10 points, another 10, and ended up going through the bottom of this box. And that's how you lay out context. This is the box right here. Here's the bottom of it. Here's the top of it. We couldn't get through the top. You see too many longs come in. You see the laser turn green, which is bearish. And now they're going to go after this. And once they got close to it, told the room, look out below. So I'll speed it up for you. And right in here, we were going to take out the bottom and really not look back. Right there. When these icebergs came in, we knew we were going to get some longs to puke underneath it. They do. That's all these green hollow boxes. And what's important is when longs puke and we don't bounce right away, that's very bearish. We don't bounce right away, and then we come back up to 95 even. Why was 95 good resistance ahead of time? And you see me draw it in the yellow line there because that's this 500 lot big bid. They went through it like it wasn't even there, came back, used it as resistance, and continued its decline. Real time support resistance. Have a good weekend.